All right. Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting webinar from Debutify. My name's Marie, your host for today's session. And for this session, we'll talk about how to build an unforgettable e-commerce brand. We're going to dive into some awesome tips and tricks to help you create a brand that truly stands out. Trust me when I say this, you don't want to miss anything. We've got everything covered from defining your unique value proposition to developing a strong brand identity to creating a brand voice that resonates with your target audience. And don't worry, we're not going to be all stiff and boring like some webinars can be. We're going to keep it fun, light, and bubbly with lots of laughs and some great examples along the way. So whether you're just starting out in the ecom world or you're looking into taking your existing brand to the next level, you're in the right place. So get ready to take some notes, guys. Let's get started on building an unforgettable ecom brand. Let's go. But let's first talk about why is branding important for your ecom business. First, it builds trust and credibility with customers. When you hear the word Nike, what comes into mind? For most people, it's high-quality athletic gear. That's the power of branding. By creating a strong brand identity, you can build trust and credibility with your customers. When they see your brand, they'll know exactly what to expect from your products or services. This can lead to increased sales and customer loyalty. Next, it sets your business apart from other competitors. In a sea of e-com businesses, how do you stand out? By creating a unique brand identity that sets you apart from your competitors. Whether it's through your logo, color scheme, brand voice, your brand should be instantly recognizable and memorable. This can help you attract new customers and retain existing ones. Next is it creates a memorable impression in customer minds. Think about your favorite brands. What makes them stand out? Chances are they have created a memorable impression in your mind through their branding. Whether it's the popular Coca-Cola polar bear or the Apple logo, these brands have made a lasting impression on your customers. By creating a memorable brand identity, you can do the same for your ecom business. The next why is that it encourages customer loyalty and repeat business. When customers feel a connection to your brand, they're more likely to become loyal customers who return to your business again and again. By consistently using your brand identity across all platforms, you can create a sense of familiarity and trust with your customers. This can lead to increased customer loyalty and repeat business. Next, it increases brand recognition and awareness. The more recognizable your brand is, the more likely it is to be top of mind when customers are shopping for products or services in your niche. By creating a strong brand identity and consistently using it across all platforms, you can increase brand recognition and awareness. Next, it conveys a consistent message about your business. So your brand identity should reflect the value and personality of your business. By creating a consistent message through your branding, you can convey what your business stands for and what sets it apart from competitors. This can help you attract customers who share your values and beliefs. Then, it also enhances the perceived value of your products or services. When customers see a well-established brand, they often associate it with high-quality products or services. By creating a strong brand identity and consistently using it across all platforms, you can enhance the perceived value of your products or services. This then can lead to increased sales and, of course, customer loyalty. Lastly, it helps to establish a strong online presence and reputation. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for e-com businesses. By creating a strong brand identity and consistently using it across all online platforms, you can establish this strong online presence. So now you know how. Let's go on to so now you know why you need a strong brand identity. Let's move on to how to actually get that. First, define your brand's unique value proposition. What sets your business apart from competitors? What unique value do you offer to your customers? By defining your brand's unique value proposition, you can create a brand identity that truly sets you apart. For example, Dollar Shave Club's unique value proposition is offering high quality razors at an affordable price delivered straight to your door. Next, develop a strong brand identity, including logo, color scheme, and typography. Your brand identity should be instantly recognizable and memorable. So, for example, the McDonald's logo is instantly recognizable with its golden arches and red background. So, as you can see here, even if it's not complete, people know that it's McDonald's. Consistently use your brand identity across all platforms, including your website, social media, and packaging. Consistency is key when it comes to branding. By consistently using your brand identity across all platforms, you can create a sense of familiarity and trust with your customers. This can lead to increased brand recognition as well. So make sure your website, social media profiles, and packaging all have a consistent look and feel. Next, create a brand voice that resonates with your target audience. Your brand voice is the tone and style in which you communicate with your customers. It should reflect your brand's personality and values, but it also needs to resonate with your target audience. For example, if you're targeting a young, hip audience, you might use a more casual tone and a lot of slang. If you're targeting an older, more professional audience, you might opt for a formal tone and a more sophisticated vocabulary. Lastly, develop a content strategy that engages your audience. Your content strategy should be aligned with your brand values and reflect your brand's personality. Use storytelling and visual content to engage your audience. For example, if your brand is all about sustainability, you might share stories about how your products are made and how they can help the environment. Use social media to showcase your content and build a following of loyal fans who absolutely love your brand. Basically, that's it, folks. Hope you had an amazing time learning about how to build an unforgettable e-com brand. We covered some valuable tips and tricks that you can start implementing right away to take your brand to the next level. Remember, Debutify is here to help you every step of the way. Our company is dedicated to creating tools and resources that help e-commerce businesses succeed. From our free Shopify theme to our comprehensive marketing tools to our reviews app, we're here to help you build the brand of your dreams. And speaking of free, did you guys know that you can try out Debutify for yourself at no cost? That's right, you can sign up today and start using our Shopify theme and other tools for free. And wait, there's more, guys. We've got tons of other webinars coming up and that you don't want to miss. From social media marketing to SEO, we cover all the topics you need in order to succeed in the e-com world. So keep an eye out for our next session and make sure you're signed up for our newsletter so you don't miss a thing. And one last thing, guys, before you go, if you love this webinar, we would love it if you could give us a shout out on your social media with @Debutify. We love seeing our community grow and thrive, and your support just means the world to us. So basically, guys, thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next time in our future webinars. If you have any questions, we're here to help. You can always talk to us in our website or in our social media channels. All right, have a great day, everyone. Bye.